of discipline is much better than the pain of regret. I am with Ms. Nilima Shah, who is the General Manager at SAL Institute of Technology and Engineering Research, a core practitioner of this philosophy and driving the entire governance module of this excellent campus. Welcome you, ma'am. Ma'am, we would like to know about the hallmarks of governance of SAL Institute of Technology and Engineering Research. What are the core hallmarks of the governing philosophy out here?
I think one of the backbone, that is our CMD sir Rajendra Bhai. He is the backbone and he is having a very good vision, and he feels that each and every child should be educated. So that's why we came into this field of academics. It was totally a new project, but I think within 5 years we have covered the whole, whatever our ambitions were. So that is the main backbone. Our vision of the CMD sir is very, very, very high and very, very good also. That's what I can say.
But most importantly, vision, the operationalization of a vision is much more important. And you are probably someone who is steering through this operationalization. So in that, what have been the core challenges in front of you?
See, when I joined this institute, it was totally a very different experience for me. But Rajendra Bhai was very much confident, because even I was basically a teacher. I used to also teach the students in the college level. So I was aware of the difficulties that they used to face, and the confidence that he had in me, because see, he is a very busy person. He is not able to give that much of time. So he had a confidence in me, and whatever decisions I took, I think it was welcomed by him. That's the main challenge. I think he accepted, and wherever it was a little bit wrong, he always guided me. So that's the main thing.
Well, the institution's guiding philosophy is going in the direction of innovation, and you have been a votary of the philosophy of discipline. How are you balancing both of them?
I think I can only say that with the support of all the principals, that is Rupees Vasani sir, even MBA principal Viral sir, and pharmacy principal, that is KM Patel, and with the vision of Rajendra Bhai, I think I don't face any problem. We all are very cooperative. So it's a teamwork. If you have a good teamwork, then any challenge that is, you can overcome that. So that is the main philosophy that I feel that it should be always be a teamwork, not a single decision. So it is always a group decision.
So the decisions are quite decentralized out here?
Yeah, definitely. It's always centralized. Even Vasani sir, of course, we have given him the authority to take the decision. But still he feels that he always discusses with us. And then he gives his suggestions. And whatever it is, we always support them. So, and they also support us. So that's the main thing. Teamwork is more important, I think so.
In 5 years of your inception, you seem to have accomplished a substantial ground. Where do you see the SAL group of institutions in the next 5 years?
I think, see, my dream when my kid was planning to go for engineering college, I always thought he should go for the best college. That was Nirma. That is, you have heard, Nirma is the best college in the Gujarat. So I think we should be not above the Nirma, but parallel to Nirma. That's what my wish is. My dream is that I want to bring the SAL group of technical institutions to that level.
So this was Ms. Nilima Shah, who is driving the entire operations and administration at SAL group of institutions, inspired by a gigantic vision, fueled by a collaborative approach on the bottom line of discipline and values. SAL group of institutions is scaling really great heights. We move on to the next spectrum. Till then,